Hi you guys. All right, so I'm here. I want to take a quick moment and talk to you guys all about this cleaning stuff that I just got. So this is going to be really nice. You're going to have 6 different pieces with it, like for the head. So you have this one right here, which is going to be really nice. This is like a Chanel brush. So this will be even really good for like cleaning your car and things. You also get the flat brush. The flat brush is going to be great for like the floor, maybe tiles. You get a dome brush, whether it's for toilets, whether it's for bathtubs, things like that. You can see a nice and big dome. You also get 2 of the corner brushes right here. These are great for like getting in between grout, getting like the sides of things. And then you also have the scoring pad, which is gonna be really good for maybe your sink or for your stovetop, things like that, and just kind of snaps right on there. You get the charging cord right here because it's gonna be cordless, which makes it really easy. I like this because it's gonna be great for my kids, myself, anything like that to be able to use. So this is gonna be the main piece. And so you're gonna be able to really work it either way. So you do have an extender piece. How the extender piece works is we are going to, let's go right over here. We are going to slide that in like that, all right? And then you have this extender, which is gonna be really nice, especially if you are doing your floor. You don't have to worry about like getting down on your hands and knees. And then you're gonna be able to kind of twist this and it's gonna be able to go longer. You can also see it does have that, so you're even gonna be able to hang it up. But let's say you just wanted to do things by hand, you're gonna be able to just use this, all right? So let's say you were doing this one. You can kind of see where it kind of like matches up in there. And now you're in, here's the on button, and gonna be really easy for you to be able to use, okay? And then another speed, and then off. So you can hear the 2 different speeds. So let's go ahead and test it out. All right, you guys, so overall, highly satisfied with this. It made a cleaning just so much easier. And you guys just see the difference from cleaning that to where it is not clean. So this is gonna be really nice and easy for you to be able to use and while cleaning. So definitely recommend going and getting.